our iPhone 11 Pro, 256 GB. It's grey, white, silver. So we have a little puller that we can open to unbox the wrapping. We can just flip this open. And there's the phone. We open this slipper. And this is a black, just original black. See there's, yes, and you see there's 3 lenses. The lenses are for taking a normal picture that is very good. So we can just get all of these, and we have some things. Say hello, and we have some stuff like this. We have some construction and some more, and we have some Apple stickers for the phone to put on the back, and we have this plug. So we have some earphones, and we also have this. This, we actually have these for the earphones, and we have this charger to charge the phone over here. So the paper is smaller than the phone because that the Apple stickers are smaller, and the Apple stickers have to have a smaller paper to take off. Let's just put everything, and let's just